Now on the inside of this Heartland Sundance 293 RL travel trailer, we're in the huge living room here, folks. Side by side opposing slide units. I'm sitting here at the most comfortable sofa that you'll ever want to be in. And one of the key features that I love about this sofa is it's got cup holders built in. It's got a light around your cup holder, and it's got USB ports so I can sit here and charge my phone or play my music on my phone and still be charging the unit. Over here to my left is a great 39-inch TV viewing area here. Our entertainment center here gives you backlit lighting, so it's a soft lighting, indirect lighting. You got plenty of storage that you'll see here for your videotapes, your CD players, theater seats that are sitting right in front of the TV. And then you got a built-in DVD stereo surround sound with a USB and a SanDisk card that you can also play all of your pictures in through there. One of the greatest focal points of the 293 RL Sundance travel trailer, folks, is our kitchen. Our kitchen is a huge kitchen for a 29-foot travel trailer. It centralizes everything around this island kitchen. You have lots of counter space here. You have a pull-out sprayer on your high-spout faucet. You have a huge farm-style sink. You can get your big pots and pans in here. Your sink cover also duplicates as a cutting board. You don't have to store anything else in there to cut all your fresh vegetables and everything. One of the other key features, we have outlets and switches on either end of your outlet here. So you can put your crock pots out here, you can put your coffee pots out here. One of the other huge features here, value-added features, is we have 10 drawers and 9 cabinet doors inside this kitchen area. You can store everything you need to cook like a chef on the weekends for your family. Over here, we feature a glass flush mount stove. It is a Furrion stove, and it does have the lighted knobs on the end of it. But best thing of all, it's a flush mount glass top stove, so it'll actually pull back up there so you can have a splash guard in there as you're cooking. We got a huge oven here. You got a nice big pots and pans drawer down below. Your stainless steel microwave is up here. And over here on this side, you got your appropriate size refrigerator for this travel trailer. You can actually store a lot of stuff in your freezer and your refrigerator. Over here is kind of a catch-all for all of your things that you want to store. Here's a lot of cabinet doors here, 4 more drawers, nice counter space that you can put your vegetables and fresh vegetables like we have here, or fruit. You put your coffee pot back here. You can put all your accessories up here. One of the neatest features of all the brands, or all the Sundance travel trailers, is that we use European hidden hinges. You don't see any hinges on the outside of any of our units like you do some of our competitors. These are durable, sturdy, and they're self-closing cabinet doors. Folks, our dinette table right off from your kitchen is huge. You can see how big of a person I am. You can get 4 big guys sitting at this dinette table if you want. Also, what's really cool is this dinette table will fold down onto these 1x1s and make into another sleeping area. Over here, we have our huge theater seats that actually recline. You can sit there and watch TV straight ahead, where some of our competitors you have to look left or look right to watch a TV in your travel trailer. Not in the Sundance 293 RL. Now I want to show you our huge bathroom in this 293 RL Sundance travel trailer. Our shower is huge. There's plenty of room in here, and you got a nice big skylight above there. You have a shower door that actually closes rather than just having a plastic curtain. We got a big area for your bathroom here so you can sit there and do your business. You have an oversized bathroom sink with residential faucet up on top there. You also have lots of cubbies here that you can store your toothpaste, your towels, your washcloths, and then you also have a nice big medicine cabinet here. One of the best features of this unit is, again, our drawers. We have 3 drawers and a cabinet down below your sink area, folks. This gives you plenty of storage in your bathroom of the 293 RL Sundance travel trailer. Let me show you the master bedroom of the Sundance 293 RL. The main feature that draws your eyes is the huge bed. Folks, this is a full size or queen size bed. You got a pillow type mattress. You got struts underneath the bed for additional storage. One of the other things that catches your eye right away is the 2 nightstands on either side. Both of them feature outlets there, so if you use sleep pat machines or cell phones, doesn't matter if you're a right sleeper or left sleeper side of the bed, you are covered. Also above those is 2 huge shirt closets that you can use for hanging your clothes. Above that, you have your big overhead storage. You have pin lights for reading. You have USB ports. One of the bonus features that I love about this bedroom is you have 3 drawers, you got 3 shelves. That's a bonus. Most manufacturers don't give you 3 extra drawers and 3 extra shelves in the master bedroom. Now you can put a lot of stuff away in the master bedroom, and folks, that's what makes camping fun.